This cordless snowblower kit from Snow Joe offers impressive power for residential driveways and walkways while sparing you the hassle of gas, pull cords, and regular engine maintenance. The dual battery setup provides dependable runtime for typical suburban storms, and the brushless motor starts instantly even in very cold conditions. Its auger and scraper combination clears a path that is wide and reasonably deep in a single pass, getting down close to the surface without scuffing most decks or paved areas. The directional chute lets you steer the discharge very precisely, which helps keep snow away from parked cars, porches, and neighboring yards. An integrated light on the front is genuinely useful for early morning or evening cleanups when visibility is poor, but you still want to work safely. Because it is relatively light for a snowblower and completely cordless, it is easy to maneuver around cars and tight spaces, making it a strong fit for smaller properties and patios.